Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Snacks are something that we all love and enjoy, especially those nice crispy ones. And I think we can have them any point during the day. Recently, I tried an interesting pakora recipe, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you guys. This is mint and cashew pakoras. These pakoras are so yummy. It's got this lovely, nice minty flavor, and it has a combination of those nice crunchy cashewnuts. These pakoras are absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started and check it out. For the mint and cashew pakoras, we're going to first make a very basic mint and coriander chutney. To the mixer jar, add a cup of fresh mint leaves and a cup of fresh coriander leaves. Just add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So here is the mint and coriander chutney. Keep this aside. For the pakora batter, to a bowl, take 2 cups of besan or gram flour. Next, add 4 tablespoons of rice flour. Next, I'm adding all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon hing, that is asafoetida powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it all together nicely. Next, add a few chopped curry leaves. Add a few chopped coriander leaves. Next, add a few fresh mint leaves. I'm adding the leaves as a whole. If you want, you can chop them and add them as well. Next, add 1 cup of cashew nut halves. Use the cashew halves instead of the whole ones, because these will be really good for making the pakoras. Now mix everything nicely. Next, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of hot oil. The hot oil partially cooks the flour. Mix everything in nicely. Now add the mint and coriander chutney. Pour a little water and mix everything together till it's all well combined. So if you see, I've used very little water, and we're going to mix this dough like a chapati dough. You don't want to add too much water and make it like a very thin batter. So you can see it is nice and thick. If you see, it's more like a doughy consistency, and it has to be a little firm. It should not be runny. So when you actually hold it together, or if you press it, it should hold shape. So this is how the pakora dough should be. So now the pakora mixture is done. Keep this aside. Pour enough oil to a kadai for deep frying. Once the oil is nice and hot, maintain the flame on a medium. Now gently drop a little bit of the pakora mixture into the hot oil. Start deep frying the pakoras in batches. Just take care not to overcrowd the kadai. Keep flipping the pakoras at intervals so they are nice and crispy on all sides and it's cooked through. Once you've got this lovely golden brown color, remove the hot pakoras from the oil and serve them nice and hot. These pakoras can be stored in an airtight container for up to 4 to 5 days. You can enjoy these crispy and delicious mint cashew pakoras for a nice evening tea. Now I've served it with masala chai. You can enjoy it with some nice evening coffee or juice, whichever you like, or you can store it in an airtight container and enjoy it whenever you please. I will also give you a link of other pakoras that I've made and the link to the masala chai. You can try those recipes as well. So there you go, here are these nice crunchy and delicious mint cashew pakoras, and I'm going to enjoy it with some nice masala chai. I can't wait to actually dig in. I was drooling literally while making these pakoras, so there. You can see how crunchy it is. It's so yummy, super crunchy. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.